The Shield of Achilles by W.H. Auden juxtaposes the idea of hope portrayed by Thetis versus the reality shown through Hephaestus. In 1952, when Auden composed this poem, the Western Democrats and the communist countries were engaged in a dangerous Cold War. In this poem, Auden has represented a vision of modern inhumanity, stated with considerable directness and force. Contrast is a major part of this poem, as it helps define the differences between what Thetis expects to see on the shield and what she actually sees. This can be a link between the ancient world and the modern world. Auden emphasizes these contrasts by using two different stanza forms. Stanzas 1, 4, 7, and 9 are set in ancient Greece and are linked to Thetis and Hephaestus. In these stanzas, Thetis is seen looking over Hephaestus' shoulder, watching him engrave images onto the shield of Achilles. She is expecting these images to be of tranquility, peace, and liveliness, but is quickly contradicted by Hephaestus' imagery of actuality, war, and idleness. The other stanzas, in which the scenes from modern life are presented in detail, are very different. The contrast is striking both visually and orally. The movement between these stanzas is focused on Thetis' innocent expectations and those focused on the harsh realities depicted on the shield. These stanzas all give more detail on the landscape of the future that Thetis is now seeing, this being very plain and bare. Each stanza alludes to different real-world accounts that have taken place. A million eyes, a million boots in line, the illusion of Hitler and his troops. Binding people to posts, they have lost their freedom. In the hands of the other, their spirits have died even before their bodies are killed. There is a corrupt world taking place in these modern-day stanzas that point to the lack of authority. The overall poem depicts a strong contrast between how we want to represent the happenings of our world compared to their reality. The shield that Hephaestus makes explores the true impact of conflict and who that impact lies upon. The desire to follow blindly in the pursuit of pleasing the gods is their only hope of salvation, as they have nothing in this world.